Hello, this is Michael Gillen. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and a first impression on this Spedal radar detector. This radar detector cost me less than $30 on eBay, but that's not the normal price. I think I just got a good price. Over here, as you can see, it's 53, 122, 79, and so on. However, for some reason, I was able to get it cheaper. I actually like the company Spedal because I got a webcam from them and I very much like it. I did a review on that as well if you want to check it out. Um, so clearly, it is a company that makes decent products. As far as radar detectors, it's a little bit of a niche product. I do have the Uniden R1, so I'll kind of compare it a little bit to that. But I'm really just going to do an unboxing and a little bit of a first impression. So this is how it came, and let me just open it up. There we go. And we got it open. Here's the box. And I have to say the box feels premium, so I guess that's something that they did right. Let's take a look at it. So let's take a look at this box a little bit. Obviously it's a Chinese company and a lot of the letters are in Chinese. It takes, the voltage is 12 volts to 24 volts. The current is 200 to 350 milliamps. And the screen is IPS, I guess. Cool. And here is some information about it. It claims that it could detect a lot of different bands. However, the most important ones are K and KA. Also KU, I think, in different countries. And it gives a little bit of a visual over here. And this is how to mount it. Let's go back to the back over here. It says it has very few false alerts, which is something that is very hard to achieve. So let's see, hopefully they did it right. And it has a smart mode, which is quieter. I mean, so if everything they claim is correct, it should be a pretty decent radar detector. But, I mean, at this price point, I can't imagine it could be amazing. Here is the actual radar detector, and here is, I guess, the accessories that it comes with. So, and it comes in a really nice foam case. Honestly, presentation top notch. So, I like to see that company. Okay, that's everything in the box. So over here you have the quick start guide. I'm going to just open it up if people want to read. I actually didn't take a look at any of this, obviously, since I am doing an unboxing. Okay, and the rest is in Chinese. So there's that. Obviously the English quick start guide. And over here you have all of the accessories that come with. Let's get some light over here so that we can see a little better. All the things that it comes with. This is a triple suction mounting bracket. Cool. The power is I guess you could call it 5-pin mini adapter, which is totally something no one uses nowadays. So there's that. And it comes with a wall power with a off and on switch. That's pretty cool. It also comes with this bracket over here, which you could mount on your car like this, as it shows in the box. 2 mounting positions, right? And I'm sure it's in the quick start guide. So there's a second mounting way, and I'm not sure if you could power it with USB, but it probably runs very similar to this. I mean, this is running at, hold on, this is running at 5 volts, 2 amps. So as long as you have a 2 amp power adapter, you should be able to use this also, because regular power also runs at 5 volts and 2 amps. Here's the actual power if you want to see it. Okay, and here's the actual radar detector. Here it is in all of its glory. Okay, so let's take a look at the bottom. Obviously you can see here the clip, the way to be able to, I guess, slide this on. Oops, it'll be this way. Alright, I guess that's how it goes on. Not very smooth, but it works. And then this one goes in the back, which I would assume is the more conventional way that they expect people to connect. So therefore, they're not, I guess, so focused on the dash-mounted one. And if you put it like this, it should be good. Now the question is, does it come out easily? The answer is relatively. It says Spedal on the top here, and over here, I guess, is the speaker grill. On the sides, it looks cool. It looks nice. On the bottom, you have, okay, on the bottom, here's the screen, On the bottom you have the buttons. So minus, plus, mode, and OK. Interesting. Over here it says DC. Here it says USB. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, it could be that this cable is meant for updating the firmware. So here is the USB plug in order to get that firmware updated. And then that's the power, the DC one. So I think that's probably what it is, if I would assume correctly. For reference, let's compare it to the Uniden R1. R3. Now, as you can see over here, the R3 is about the same size, I guess. The screen on this is smaller, as you can see, and there are the little sensors here, but the R3 is smaller. It comes with a this type of power, which I never really got. It has a better quality feeling mount, and I would say that the Uniden R3 is definitely the best value you can get. So if you're looking to buy one, I would get that one. But if you're looking to buy this one, here is, I guess, the unboxing. I'm going to see if I could power it to see if there's any way that I could see what's going on. Okay, so these are the sensors in the back, and then this is the front where it has the monitor. So, okay, that's how it is. So it claims it needs 2 amp power. This provides 2 amp power right here. So we're going to see if this cable that it comes with is going to work with it. So let's plug it in and see. If anyone wants to see me make a video on actually testing this device, please leave a comment and I will, if that's the request. Okay, is there power? Okay. That is very strange, but okay, it works. As you can see, it's a Spedal 0 miles per hour. Okay, let's go through the modes maybe. Is this, yeah, you can see this. Okay, so it has a pretty nice screen, honestly, I like it. It tells you the time, it's 9:35, although it is not 9:35, whatever. Road scene mode, okay, let's press okay. So you have smart and turbo, okay. Let's go to the next thing, mute radar alarm, okay. Mute radar alarm. In smart mode it is not possible, okay. Okay. And then we go to the next thing, mute GPS alarm. I guess that's the same thing. Broadcast mode, my highest speed, K-band, KA-band, ST-band, laser band, radar anti-interference, laser sensitivity, K-band sensitivity, MTR CD band, MTR CT band, radar filter level, allowable overspeed, speed fine-tune, I don't know what that noise was, speed fine-tuning, time zone, speed unit, factory set, version information. I'll click that. 2.5, okay. I wonder if I should update it. I think for now I should just, okay, so now we're back to the beginning. So I'm going to go through some of the ones that looked interesting. Broadcast mode, voice plus music. Oh, I think that's the thing that happens when you hit a band. My high speed, that's cool. So go back and see how that works. Yeah. I think it alerts you if you're going higher than a certain speed. K-band. You could just turn these on and off. Okay, I see. Okay, so all these are, you could just turn them on or off. Laser band. Oops. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to change anything. Radar anti-interference. Okay, what is that? Okay, it's just a mode, I guess. Okay, a lot of cool things here. So, like, how does it work? I don't know. Maybe I'll test it out. If anyone's interested in seeing me test it, please let me know. I will. Oh, you have the volume over here. Okay, that's nice. And it tells you that the smart is on. It tells me that it's 16:36. It changed from 9 o'clock to 16:36. And the radar, it looks like it's getting a signal from somewhere. So let's see, maybe if I set the time, right now it's 8:35 p.m. where I am. So let's see if it'll get the time automatically. Let's see. Okay. So it's 19:36. Is that right? That's not right. I'm -5. Hold on. Okay, it is -5 hours. However, apparently it doesn't take daylight saving times into effect, which is weird. So let's factory reset and see if that changes anything. Okay. But I guess we'll just go back to the main.
Setting completed.
All right, setting completed. Oh wow, it has up to 9 speaker. Anyway, I'm sorry about all my rambling. I hope this video isn't too long. It's really just showing you a little bit of information about this radar detector. Again, I don't know much about it. I just saw a good deal and I grabbed it. So it just detected a K-band. I'm not even sure from what. Hey guys, so update after using this for a few weeks. I just have a few different comments to say about it. First of all, this is not the same radar detector as the cheap ones you'll find on wish.com and things like that for $20. It does look very similar, but if you look at the screen, it is very different. It has a lot more options. There are a lot more modes, as you saw. This is not the same one, and it has more weight to it, so it's definitely worth more than $20. That's the first thing I want to say. Second thing is that so far it's been relatively quiet. It's been a quiet radar detector. It has like lockouts for false alerts, like grocery stores and stuff like that. I think it has lockouts for. I rarely get anything. It does have GPS red light cameras and speed cameras, and I'll show you that because there's a camera right here that I want to show you. I cannot get the time to be the right time. For some reason, the time I set it to my Eastern Standard Time, and for some reason it's got the exact time but like 3 hours off. So it gets the right minute. Like for example, right now it's 10 o'clock, so it's getting 6 o'clock. So it's 4 hours off. I don't know why. I have to play around with it a little more. So what I did to fix the wrong time on my clock is that I went to the settings and I went to time zone settings. And what I did was, as you can see, it's a -4. I switched that from -5, even though really I'm -5. I think that I'm switching it to -4. I may have not caught daylight savings or something like that. And now it's the right time at 1:19, so that's pretty good. It is very accurate with the time because it is using, I guess, the GPS or atomic time, so that's really nice. I'm gonna drive by a grocery store so you can see. Also, the speed is off by 6 miles per hour, or 7 miles per hour. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna be going maybe 25 miles per hour. So and you'll see right now. Right now, my speedometer says 25, and this is saying 32. So it's definitely off. So what I did to fix the problem that I was having with the speedometer, that it was showing the wrong speed, is that there's actually a built-in option for it, which I did not notice apparently, and that is speed fine-tuning. Now it's hard to see, I know, but I'm gonna try speed fine-tuning. And as you can see right here, you're able to actually change that to -3, -4. There are a lot of different options here, so I'm going to choose -3 miles per hour. So that way, hopefully, because I think it was maybe at +5, so hopefully that will balance it out, and I'll be able to have the proper speed. I did test it out while doing that, and it did seem to work pretty well. So I think that's the easy fix. It is sunny, so it's harder to see. But we have a camera coming up, and we're going to see what the camera says. And the speed limit is 30 here. So I'm going 30, but it's saying 37. So I think it's going to mention the camera very soon. Should be. Uh-oh. Oh, it is.
Ahead. Speed camera. Normal road. Speed limit 2, 10, 5. You are speeding.
Okay, so that is the speed camera. Happens to be the speed camera is not actually active right now because they took it away. But it does have a GPS lock onto the fact that there is a camera. Now I'm going to pass by a grocery store. Now we're going to pass by a grocery store and we're going to see if it picks up K-band. And it does pick up K-band, but it's very minor, so it's not making noise. I don't know. Try to zoom in there so you can see a little more. It is it was picking up K-band, and now I'm going to go into the grocery store parking lot and see if it does make any noise, just so that you could kind of see. I'm going to go next to a Rite Aid right here, and the gas station, and see what's going on. See, I'm going 25 miles per hour now, it's saying 32. So it's like between 6 and 8 miles per hour off. And right now it is picking up K-band by all these electric doors, but it hasn't been alerting me. So I guess the filtering is pretty good. I barely got any alerts at all. And it could be those alerts were actually real. But yeah, I'm driving by a whole bunch of stores, Safeway and who knows where. And yeah, so I guess the verdict is that so far I haven't actually caught a police officer on here. That's because I haven't seen any police officers. So I haven't seen that KA been working well or not, but definitely it's not giving false alerts and it seems to be working fine. Hopefully I'll make another video if I do see a cop and it is working. So that'll be pretty cool. You see the cameras are working, the red light camera. Laser, obviously would be very hard for me to test unless I have a laser gun. So if someone wants to sponsor that, I'll be down for it. But as far as radar goes, I have to wait for a cop to be here. Happens to be there's a lot of cops on the street when I drive down, so it might come up one day soon. Anyway, so that's an update. Hopefully I'll make another update. I'm gonna stitch this video together with the other video that I made.
K-man.
Oh, there's a K-band actually. I don't know what that's from, but I don't see any cops. It does take about like 30 seconds to turn on, and it takes about a minute for it to get GPS location. If you look on the top left, it has that green thing. It says radar on, and then next to it is like a picture of a satellite. That means that it got a satellite connection and it's working now. From when it turns on from the on screen until when it catches the GPS signal is usually a few seconds, and it'll give you a notification. So there you go. And it turns green. Let me focus the camera so you can see that. It's green, so that lets you know that it's connected, that signal. And then just another few seconds and it'll catch the radar as well. And there you go, radar is on. On the right side is, on the right top is the sound. And then you have the speed limit. And then you have the mode that it's on. Right now it's on smart mode. So it says smart, which means that it tells between highway and regular driving just automatically, like depending on, I guess, how fast you're going. And then obviously you have the speed. And another really interesting thing that is going to come up in just a second, and you'll see, is that it lets you know where there's a gas station. I'm not sure if you can turn that off or not. It's a little bit annoying because I have a gas station. I pass by a gas station every day, and it's going to let you know. Hold on just a second. I am passing by, and
Ahead. Gas station ahead.
there we go. It just lets you know there's a gas station ahead. It's actually not that bad. It's not that loud. So anyway, I thought that was interesting, and yeah, it does pick up some random K-bands here and there, but for the most part, it doesn't bother me until it's like really close. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Please enjoy. This is the first time I am using this outro. Have a great day.